Over the last several years, Analog Devices and National Instruments have developed a highly collaborative relationship. We're customers of each other, and we're also suppliers. We use many of their systems in our development labs, and they use many of our products to actually develop their systems. In addition to that, over the last few years, we've actually collaborated on development tools for our customers.
The companies matched up so well to start with because of the high-quality supplier that Analog Devices was to us. So that was clearly the starting point. Was we really liked putting your analog digital converters, amplifiers on our products, the support that you've given us, the technical acumen that clearly all your people had, from the support people to your field sales force. And then we kind of discovered that we're using about as many parts, different parts from Analog Devices as any other customer you have. We may not be the biggest customer in terms of dollars, but in terms of the breadth of products, and that serves as a proxy to the industry of our knowledge of how parts are used and where things are headed across the entire industrial segment, that we could both learn from each other and work together.
These companies are just very, very similar. They both have broad horizontal base of customers. They both have had tremendous success and have a really, really good reputation within the engineering community. We both tend to share a passion for world-class engineering. Us on the IC level, and I more on the board level.
Time is really important from a competitive standpoint for both companies. So we began to work earlier in our product development stage with National Instruments to show them our product roadmaps when we were in the definition stages, so that we could benefit from their advice and their perspective to develop more competitive and more innovative products. And similarly, we use their systems to do faster evaluation and speed the time to market for our products.
Typically, one of the first things a design engineer wants to get figured out is what can this part actually do in the design that I'm using it for. And our measurement hardware and software allows them to do that in a much quicker way.
We look to use National Instruments LabVIEW software to touch more customers. It allows them to design in our products at a faster rate and a more enabling way. And at the end of the day, it allows our customers to leverage National Instruments software with ADI's components and get their end product out to market faster.
The National Instruments culture is really driven around two concepts. We talk about breakthrough innovation and continuous improvement. And so we approach everything we do in terms of those two dimensions. And that's not just innovation from an R&D perspective, but in our business strategy and in our marketing. So in working with ADI, we've seen a lot of similarities, similar focus on innovation and improvement. In fact, we've done some web activities with online simulations and evaluation of models of ADI parts using some National Instruments technology. I would say what we've done there is pretty innovative compared to other companies, and it really took the two companies, the culture, and then joint technology to pull that off.
In the early stages, Analog Devices and National Instruments had a traditional business relationship. Over time, that deepened, particularly on the analog side. As a result of that collaboration, it eventually opened up doors to Analog Devices' DSP and embedded processing products.
So we really took the relationship to a new level at our recent user event we call NI Week in August. Analog Devices was front and center on stage announcing LabVIEW embedded module for the Blackfin processor.
And so we see a very powerful combination between LabVIEW embedded and the powerful silicon of Blackfin.
We got to show off our vision for that product, which is to expand the use of the Blackfin processor to a much wider community of scientists and engineers by using a higher level tool like LabVIEW, which a lot of those scientists and engineers are already familiar with. And so this represented a joint development project between the two companies, our engineers working together on a product. And we hope that that's a relationship that we can grow in the future and co-develop many more new exciting products.
Looking to the future, I see even greater potential for collaboration between National Instruments and Analog Devices. we both have the opportunity to work together to make it even easier from a cost and time standpoint for our customers to take their products to market.
I think what NI, the relationship we have with them, really embodies that entire win-win scenario. Certainly when their dominance in the marketplace continues to ramp up, that's going to help ADI sell more parts. It's going to help NI get into new areas of test and measurement.
Well, I think the relationship will continue to get stronger. As long as you can help in innovation and improvement, and I think right now we're proving that, I think we're just getting started.